Let's make some Cynful Mediterranean grilled chicken today. Start out with all your herbs and add 6 tablespoons of olive oil. We're using that to make sort of a paste. And mix it all together. It makes a little paste that we kind of have, and we're just going to set that aside here for a minute. Take our chicken and we're going to use a meat mallet and pound it out to about 1/4 inch thick, and then just spread that herb mixture that we made over the top on both sides. Now take some butter and some olive oil, put it in a pan over medium-high heat, add your onions and cook them down till they're starting to get a little soft. Add your mushrooms and we're going to cook those down until they become golden. Add our thin sliced garlic and cook it for about a minute more. Now if you're using frozen spinach, we're going to add that now like I did here. If you're using fresh, we're going to add it a little bit later. I'll tell you when. Stir all that in. And then set it aside because we're going to move over to grilling. Now I used an indoor grill pan. You can grill this outdoors as well. But you're going to grill the chicken until the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're just going to set it aside loosely tinted with aluminum foil. We're going to bring our vegetables back. We're going to add our tomatoes, our olives, our fresh spinach if we're using fresh spinach. And then we're going to add our squash. We're going to stir all that in. Start cooking that squash till it gets nice and soft. And then we're going to add our lemon juice and the white wine. We're going to let that deglaze the pan and reduce so that it creates a nice little kind, almost like a sauce that coats those vegetables. Now you can add another tablespoon of butter if that helps. Then all we're going to do is put it on a bed of rice, put the chicken on top, and put the vegetables on top of that. Sprinkle it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and it's done. There's a link to a printable recipe in the video description. But let's take a look at it anyway here. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today to make this wonderful Mediterranean chicken. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.